We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of KIDISLE Percolator Coffee Pot Electric, Stainless Steel Basket, Automatic Keep Warm, Cool Touch Handle, 10 cup. Consists of the following features. Brew 2 to 10 cups at a time. Customize your coffee quantity to fit any moment, whether you're brewing a single cup for yourself or making enough to share with family or friends. Clear glass carafe. Crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, this carafe lets you see every drop of rich coffee extraction as it brews, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Auto Keep Warm function. No more reheating. Your coffee stays hot and ready to serve with the integrated warming plate, ensuring it's always at the perfect temperature. Brewing and warming indicator light. Stay in the know, the light stays on while your coffee is brewing or keeping warm. Cool touch handle. Ergonomically designed and heat-resistant for a safe, comfortable pouring experience every time, without worrying about burns. Boil dry protection. Built-in safety shuts off heating if water runs too low. Brew with confidence. Reusable metal filter. No paper filters needed, just rinse and reuse for a more sustainable and cost-effective brew. Easy to clean, removable filter and wide carafe opening make cleanup a breeze, no hidden residue. No drip pour spout, designed for smooth, mess-free serving, no more countertop puddles. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.